So you're gonna handcuff me and take me to jail?
I'm not joking. I am so serious. It's a warrant. I am so sorry, but the law is the law, Miss Menefield.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On Sunday, November 27th of 2022, officers of the Valley Police Department in Alabama arrived at the home of 82-year-old Martha Menefield.
You Martha Menefield?
I am.
Miss Menefield, we have a warrant for you.
For what?
Not paying your trash bill.
What?
I'm not joking.
Miss Menefield stands silently and bewildered as she reads the warrant and tries to make sense of the situation.
So you're gonna handcuff me and take me to jail?
Yes, ma'am. I got you.
What did I miss it?
I'm so serious. It's a warrant. Failure to pay solid waste and here's all your information. That's how I knew where your address was when it come. You sure you got a phone call from the code enforcement about a month ago saying, hey, you need to come pay your trash bill.
The reason I'm not saying anything because my daughter takes care of that for me.
Yes.
You know, I'm just saying.
Okay, well, she has not been doing it. And you gotta go with me today. Anything you need to grab right quick you can, and
I can't believe it.
we'll be going on down the way.
So what would I have to pay?
It'll be $285 to get out at the PD. If not, I have to take it to the county jail.
Oh, Lord. Would you just take one?
Yeah, I'm gonna put you in these right quick, okay? They're gonna be in the front.
Oh, wait.
I got you, okay?
You don't have to be shaming yourself. Arresting an 83-year-old.
I am so sorry, but the law is the law, Miss Menefield.
The woman explains that she is disabled and that her daughter pays her bills and tries to call her.
I'm calling my door.
Okay. Well, I kind of speed it up, okay?
Why?
Because we gotta get you down there within a certain amount of time.
After a failed attempt, the officers allow her to grab a sweater, but instead of removing the handcuffs so that she could put it on properly, they drape it over her.
I'm just gonna kind of throw it over your shoulders. When I get to the jail, I'll take the handcuffs off, you can put it on.
Okay. And it's not cold today. It's all right.
Try like this. What going on? There you go. I'm definitely trying to get in contact with your daughter if I were you, because she done screwed you on this one.
Finally, the officers usher her out of her home in handcuffs in front of her neighbors.
And y'all come on a Sunday.
Yes, man.
With somebody.
We do them all the time. They just happen to get around to you on this day right here. We took 2 more in yesterday. They were saying the same thing. Y'all came on a Saturday. Yeah, we're gonna come around right here. Don't fall.
Oh, that's right. Oh, nobody do it.
Okay, my bad. I don't want you to fall in the water puddle. Okay.
Miss Menefield was taken to jail, and after paying $285, she was released. Instead of trying to help the woman, Mike Reynolds, the Valley Police Chief, issued a statement on Facebook defending the arrest, while simultaneously shaming her publicly, adding insult to injury. The post explains that the woman had failed to pay her trash bill, and that the city had made several attempts to contact her, because in the early 2000s, some genius people in government wrote an ordinance to force mandatory participation in trash services, with a contractor of the government's choosing. So instead of simply suspending her service and not picking up her trash, which is a typical indication that something is wrong with the account and prompts customers to call to fix the issue, they left a citation via a door hanger. Miss Menefield says she never received it, and when she didn't show up to court, they issued a warrant for her arrest. The Facebook then claims that there have been 22 incidents of suspension and revocation of services since 2006, which to most people should indicate a need for social services, not to treat her as a criminal. But nevertheless, a magistrate sent armed officers to her home, who then caged the 82-year-old woman and told the public that this is what they consider being treated respectfully. They have since limited who can comment on their social media page. After this incident went public, multiple people attempted to pay her bill, but were told by staff that they weren't allowed to do that. so a GoFundMe was set up for her and since has collected $35,000. My record's request for this incident was submitted to the city in late December. I have yet to receive a response, which appears to violate the law as well. But who knows? Maybe they've put the city's custodian of records in jail too. Before you go, here's a little something that might give you a little hope. The Cuyahoga County Prosecutor in Ohio indicted 11 current and former East Cleveland Police Department officers. The charges include assault, dereliction of duty, and interference with civil rights. And it may seem like a big surprise to you, but for 4 of these officers, it isn't their first charge. Here's a small portion from one of those incidents.
Nothing.
I didn't see anything either.
Oh wait, you left the phone screen. How does it still turn on?
That's impressive. I'm surprised the battery hasn't exploded yet.
I am so sorry. Oh, that was my bad. Busted me in my lip, so I must have took him to the floor, his phone must have been.
Whose phone is that?
Used to be his.
That's his phone?
I got mad and had this back.
Not anymore.
It used to be.
Yeah, she was just trying to do y'all traffic stops and out of
That was the
nowhere.
easiest pursuit you could have ever done. He went in a circle.
Literally,
Yeah, he kept going in a circle.
I was getting so annoyed. I literally got over the loudspeaker. I was like, this is really getting stupid, dude. Can you please stop the
But
car?
Holcomb was like, as soon as he hit 3115, Holcomb's like, they better get him for wrecking my car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Y'all better get him.
I threw the meanest hook.
I got one. I didn't get a single lick of info because I didn't care.
I think his eyes broken.
If you'd like to see the rest of that video, it will be linked below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.